Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you brushless power tool angle grinder, 800 watts cordless angle grinder with a brushless motor and dual batteries for powerful uninterrupted performance. Reaches up to 19,500 RPM for cutting, grinding, sanding and polishing. So the features, let's open it and see what we have. We have a nice case. There we go. User manual. We have two gloves. Here's the grinder. LCD screen. And we have two batteries. Here is the charger. And this is the protective cover. Allen wrench and the screwdriver. There we go. Polishing tools. Some extra heads here. Oh, look at that. Perfect. This is 3 inches, by the way. Let's put the battery in, like that. Dual safety guards and safety lock provide added protection. Complete kit includes batteries, chargers, discs, gloves, and storage case. Let's put one of them. Like this, right there. Make sure it's in place, like that. Go ahead and screw it. Press this button. It's gonna lock, and now we're gonna go ahead and tighten it. That's it. Perfect. Oh my god, it's too fast. It is very powerful. Let's see some other ones. Same style. You're just gonna press there and take it out. How about this? Go ahead and put it right over here. Go ahead and screw it. That's it. I have some chains over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and try it on this. Let's see. You see, it works perfectly. Now I'm gonna use the grinder and I'm gonna polish this. Let's see. It works wonderful.